pull this 46RE apart. I snatched the pan off while it was in the truck still. Customer complaint was milky. Said he flushed the cooler, or flushed the transmission, put a new cooler on it, and here we are again. We got GPS transducer codes and milkiness. See what we got inside. That's a weird thing going on with my lights here. Don't ask me why. It's hot, I can tell you that. I got the AC on full blast in here, and you might not like that. No major scoring. Beautiful. This unit only has, don't want to lie to you guys, but I think it's like 50,000-ish. 50,000? It's under 100,000 for sure. I think the man just bought it. It's got old church logos on it, so I guess from a church maybe. It's a shame though, man. The radiator took it out. Probably would have lasted a pretty good while. Otherwise, it's a pretty good unit. Bam, we're at the bottom already. And here we are. There's the delamination I was talking about. This is exactly what I told the man. When coolant gets in your unit, this is what happens. I can peel it off. Look at that. He was very smart to let me go ahead and open this unit up and not spend the money on sensors and fluid just to end up with the same issue. The other thing is, you're changing the fluid, but you're never really getting it all because you got the torque converter, right? And the torque converter is still going to have the fluid in it that you didn't get out. So that being said, I don't know. There's going to be some people that say I'm full of crap, but you're never going to get all the coolant out of here. You're really not, man. It's just not going to happen. Get this sucker tore on down. Check the sprag in the bottom, looks fine. We're definitely going to replace the band, even though it looks fine, because delamination. I don't want this man to have problems down the road. It's not fair. Yep. Get that out of there, replace it. Now you're going to see rust on this thing from the coolant. There's no fill here. I don't see anything wrong with this drum, wrong with rerunning this drum. As long as we go through, replace it, get all the coolant out, replace the clutches, replace the seals. Look, they're not delamming yet. I don't know if you can see that or not. The color change here. There's light here, dark here. These clutches were slipping or having some kind of issue. Probably from the coolant. The viscosity of the fluid's wrong. So, yeah, he's very smart. Let me go ahead and do this. He was not going to make it much longer. Some more temperature right here on the steels. Most of the time I can get these out with my hand. Press this out, get these clutches out, get this thing cleaned up, get some parts ordered tomorrow, and get this guy rolling. Appreciate you guys checking it out. This is my first time doing one of these, so if I continue doing it, I should get better with time.